Hey Maz, how you doing? How is the project planning going?
It is going so terribly. So much to do in such a short time span. It's repetitive and then so much complex thing. I have to do a presentation tomorrow, and I haven't prepared myself for that.
No problem, Maz. That's why I brought Alex to this meeting. He's gonna present to us our new project manager assistant AI tool. So this is a new thing, very simple to use. You just need to literally describe your project. Until tomorrow, you can easily do it. Then you add your team members as names and profiles, and that's it. And then let the AI do the rest for you. So basically, immediately you see the UI populates and showcases your team members with their profile. The Gen AI, based on the provided project subscription, already created project tasks with description, with title, with certain estimation on how long it would take. As the project, as the engine behind the curtain is still running, now trying to optimize, allocate this task, schedule it, and make basically a project plan out of it. And even doing in a way that it tries to minimize certain risk for the project plan, like timeline and associated task risk coming from the fact which team members of yours received it. So in case we scroll maybe down to the bottom and it's actually completed, you see that the risk score has a certain value, which is below what we anticipated. And basically, that's it from the application itself. We wonder, but actually, you can right away with the button ready for next step, populate this generated project plan into your Jira board. And then, if case we switch to the Jira and refresh the page, we should see that your new project space is created. And if you go in it, you're going to see that each task is assigned directly to your team members. So I think you will be ready tomorrow. How do you think, Miles?
Yeah, this is pretty cool. It will make my life as a project manager really easy. So anyone who's watching this video, check the link in the description below and join us in this adventure.
And yeah, if you want to learn more about it, check out the tutorial. Bye all.